so today is the day that I received my second bridal subscription box. Again, this is from Mrs. to Mrs. Miss to Mrs. Miss Vickery. Miss to Miss. Y'all still can't see it. But anyway, so this is my second box. So I decided again, let me just open this on camera. So they did the same packaging as last time. Everything comes like this. There's a sticker on it. So let's just jump into the box. So this one is called Ultimate Bridal Swag. Oh, these are cute. Okay. All right, so let's just get into it. This video is gonna be really quick. I'm just gonna open the box so I can show you what's in here and let you know how I like this month's box. So they have bridal veils, guide. So there's like lengths, the lengths. They have the shapes that you can get, round or oval, cascade, veil fabric, excuse me. I already know what kind of veil I want. I know what veil I want. I want my veil to be right here and I'm at the door still. Like I want my veil that long, okay? So this is cute. It's a good little guide for your girl, but I already know what I want. Ooh, so wedding underwear. So they also say dresses look for bra. What? Dresses look for bra. Which lingerie styles fit your bridal dress? Dresses look for bra. I don't know. But they have like different, y'all, okay, also, and don't judge my nails. It's quarantine time and your girl needs her nails done. All right. So there's different bras that you should wear. They show you strapless, bandeau, convertible, adhesive bras. And they have the type of neckline if you're going to wear like a tank top underneath your dress. If you need a push-up bra or a corset. So it's pretty cute. And these two things are cut from something called Wedding Forward. I never heard of that, but they have like the little name on the bottom. So there's that. What in the world is it? So the first thing that I see is this hat. And it's a heart on it. It says Mrs. The logo is, I won't wear this hat. Out and about. It's real, I don't know. I mean, I got braids on. You can't really see because the sun. I'm using natural lighting today, but I got a hat. Cool. Like I said, probably won't wear this. This is again what it looks like up close. Has a logo with a hat. I mean a heart. I've seen different ones on the websites. I thought I was gonna get like the kind of hat. It was like lacy and cute, but I got this. You know. All right. Okay, so the next thing in here that I'm seeing, sun's going down, yes. So here's the hat I can show. Nope, still doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So the second thing I see is for all your things that sparkle, ceramic tray. It said, I said yes. So it's something for you to put your rings in. And it says, I say yes. With the gold coloring. And their logo is not on this, which is a good thing. I can just put this down and put my ring in it at night. I put it in the ring box now, but this is kind of, it's convenient. The next thing I see is Miss to Mrs. Ice Tray love rings. So these are cute. I would use these for like my bachelorette trip. Bridal shower would be not enough, but bachelorette trip, you just put the little ice in there, well, the water in there, and you have ice rings. So that's kind of adorbs. I like it, I like it. What are these? Love is in the hair. Oh, these are ponytail holders. So these are ponytail holders. The lighting sucks, but they're different kinds. Let me get close. There's different kinds of ponytail holders on here. I may donate this to somebody, but I'll probably give this to somebody. Like one of the little girls or something, I don't know. But it's adorable. The second thing I have, what in the world is this? Let's see what this is. Bride to be. A little canvas bag that says bride to be. Let's see if they put anything. Oh, it has a little clip. So it just clips on. There's nothing inside. But this is actually really cute. Bride to be. I could use this at a beach or something because it won't get messed up by the sand. So I like my bride to be bag. I do like that. That's super cute. Next, I have a cozy. It's called a cozy, right? Cozy. And it's a little diamond ring. Man, it's a diamond ring on it. There we go. And then the back of it has some words, and the word says stressed, blessed, and wedding planning obsessed. That's cute. I like it. Again, this can be something that goes with this bag to the beach. I like that. And lastly, in my box this month, it's a t-shirt. What is my t-shirt? Size medium? Probably should have wrote small. Oh, that's adorable. Girlfriend is scratched off and it says fiance. Ew. So, this is cute. This is really cute. The quality feels really good. And of course, they have their brand on the neckline of it. So, that's everything that I got in my box this month. Some things I can use, some things I can't. I won't be using. Like, I won't be using these. So if I had to rate this box compared to my first box that I received, my first box would probably be like an 8, 9. This box, I give it like a 7. Yeah, like a 7. Because there's some things I will not be using. For instance, I won't be wearing the hat, and I won't be wearing these. Even though these are cute, I won't be using these two. These two won't come in handy. But everything else, these two plus these, I will be using. So that is what I received in my box this month. I can't wait till my next one. I have 6 boxes, so that was 4 more to go. And just to give you an update on my wedding planning and how that is going, so just sit back and get the tea. So we all know I get married in September, and with Corona going around, we really don't know at this point. So the wedding is still, the wedding date is still there. Like, it's not, we haven't changed it. We're not going to change it. It's there. So at this point, if we still have to do social distancing until the end of the year, George and I will continue to go. We'll go get married just like regular, and we'll just have a ceremony and a wedding later on in the year. I have my venue. I have everything. I don't have a cake. I don't have a cake person, and I don't have a yes. I don't have a yes. I don't have a dress just yet. So I haven't said yes to the dress because I'm very indecisive. But I think I found my dress. I want to get 2, so I'm still trying to persuade my mama. But yeah, so that is the update on the wedding. Other than that, there's nothing else. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And we will be back again with the Mrs. to Mrs. subscription box next month. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Bye.